Hello and welcome back to Homey Huts. In this video, we'll cover the topic that is properties in the host control center. So here you can update the listing if there are any changes or like you want to update the pricing discounts, you can do it from the properties tab. So in the host control center, from here you need to go in the properties tab. So you can see all the properties listed. So in the status, it is like all the activated ones. But here you can also see the deactivated, declined, draft, or pending approval. Next, from search bar, you can search your property name by its name, ID, or city. So the ID is this Homey Huts ID or by city. So if we search Lonavala, it will show all the properties in Lonavala. So suppose you want to update the settings for this property, click on that property. Here you can see like with which OTA it is synced. So if you have synced your property with channel manager through Agoda, MMT, Airbnb, you can see those logos here. Next is clone property. So if you want to duplicate your property, like suppose you want to create a duplicate listing for your property, that could be like suppose your property is entire like 4 BR and you want to create a duplicate listing for 3 BR. So you can just clone the listing, click on that, and you can update the title and all. Click on clone, and from once you click on complete listing, you have to go through the whole process, but all the values will be pre-filled. You just need to go and check and do the changes whatever is needed. The location and everything will be there. The photos of the same listing will be there. If you want to change it, like suppose you just want to keep 2 rooms as 2 BR, you can just keep those photos and delete the rest ones. And once you complete it, it will show in pending approval. Like once you publish the property, the property name will appear here and it will show in pending approval. And once the Homey Huts team reviews it, it will be activated. So the next part is like instant booking. So if you want to keep your instant booking on or off, it is on you. If you're okay with last minute bookings, you can keep it on. But if you want to like verify the guest and everything, you can just keep it off and then you can decline or like accept the bookings. Next is property status. So if you want to deactivate your property for some time period, so you can just click here and click on OK. It will be deactivated. But if your property has a reservation or bookings, so it will ask you have to contact the customer support of Homey Huts and tell the reason why you want to deactivate. If it is a valid reason, they'll ask the team to deactivate, or else you have to take those bookings and after that only you can deactivate your property. So the next tab is calendar and pricing. So we already covered the calendar and pricing part in the previous video. You can just go and check those videos. So here you can update the pricing, discounts and the availability and the extra guest price and also the iCal sync. Next is update listing. So from here you can update your property listing, the properties which are like active. So if you want to do any changes, you can just select those. But the address field that cannot be changed, the address. So you have to contact the customer support if you have like entered the wrong address or if is there an issue. So you have to contact the support. They'll verify it and do the changes, but you can't do it on your own once the property is in activated status. If you want to arrange the photos, you can do that. Keep the first 5 photos like the best of all. Like one could be the facade photo, exterior photo, room photo, and the living space photo. Next, if you have like not uploaded the documents, that is the KYC and government issued license, please upload those. So here you can do all the changes if there's any. You can change the cancellation policy if you want to keep it moderate, and the long term policies also, and click on save. Next is you can update the house rules if you want to enter like any specific rule, you can enter in this text box and click on save. So listing status. So here if you want to deactivate the property, so here you can just go and select the option. It is the same as we saw it here. Yes. So to come back on the all properties page, you have to select this option and it will redirect to the all properties. From here, if you want to create a new listing, so here you have to click it and it will take you to that tab and you can complete the process of the new listing. So the next part is Magic Cluster. Here if you want to like cluster your property, so you will have to like create a new cluster first because we don't have a property here. So like enter the cluster name. Suppose my property name is Raj Mahal. I'll enter that. And then you have to search the properties. So the first could be the entire property listing. Like suppose the 4BR property, you can select that and click here as is a parent listing. So this could be the entire one and the child listings of that property. You can then select those. In case if you have selected first the child listings and then the entire, so you can just change it from here and click on save. Your cluster will be created. Then again, if you want to create for new, you can just go here. Click on plus, you can see like the parent listing and the child listings which are connected to just reconfirm your property. Okay, so this magic cluster helps us to like no avoid double bookings if you have created child listings of the property. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll cover the reservations part. If you have any doubts, you can contact the HomeYard support through WhatsApp. Yes, thank you for watching this video.